Всем привет! Welcome to my channel and добро пожаловать! I know you've all been so excited for this video, so have I. I've recently posted, which is just like 2 days ago, I was testing these Brazilian cheese balls and my Instagram just blew up. You guys were like, what's the recipe? What's the recipe? Give me the recipe. So I've actually tested 2 methods. This is video number 1, which you all voted for, you wanted first. A really easy method, all in one, in your blender, which makes it very easy for cleanup and just generally. Just put all the ingredients. I love these type of recipes. These cheese balls are so good. You do need to have the tapioca flour, which is the main ingredient, and I couldn't previously find it, but now found it on Amazon. So I'll be putting all the links down below in my description box for the UK Amazon and then USA Amazon, because you guys are the biggest audiences on my channel. And then for everyone who's outside of these countries, you can just order it from Amazon US or UK and it will just come to you. Or unless you have like Brazilian stores in your country. But these balls are gluten-free, they're super cheesy, and they're really quick to make. And I have to be honest with you guys, I've had a lot of them. And yesterday I ate 10 cheese balls on my own, 10. I made 15, okay, let me just put it in perspective. So I had 10 cheese balls. And I felt so sick because A, it's really naughty and they're not like the super healthiest food, so don't have 10 at a time, even though they're so addictive. I just love cheese, as you know, I love cheese. So yeah, like my whole diet was ruined, but it's okay. I've given them away. My sister, my boyfriend, and everyone around me who visits me, they've just finished them off really, really quickly. They're super good. So yeah. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook to see all the behind the scenes, everything that I do. And now let's get started. And I hope I'll be seeing your cheese balls very, very soon. In a blender, add milk. And then you want to add oil. I'm using vegetable oil, but you can use also canola. Then add your egg. And here is the starch that I use. So this is tapioca flour. And it's just the same name for tapioca flour and starch, so you can use either of them. So add a little bit of your grated parmesan cheese. I'm adding also some cheddar cheese, but this is optional. Traditionally you would use pecorino cheese or parmesan cheese, so it's completely up to you. Then you want to blitz everything together for a few minutes, and then add a bit of salt and some baking powder. You do want them to puff up nice and well, so you do need to add that a little bit. Then you want to add your tapioca flour, 1 tablespoon at a time, and just keep the blender on and keep mixing. This is such an easy recipe. I love that it's all just done for you in a blender and you just have to chuck all the ingredients inside. Once everything is blending, it's done, just literally a few minutes. You want to then take your muffin pan. I'm using a large one, but you can also use 2 smaller ones, and you want to spray them with some cooking oil so that they don't get stuck to your pan. As some of you know, I have launched my online cooking school where you can learn how to make the most amazing cakes ever. I've got level 1, 2 and 3 for beginners to advanced, and you'll be able to learn the beautiful mousse cakes. You can also do this as a gift for somebody who loves cooking and baking. I think it's an awesome present. And of course, if you wanted to learn yourself. Each course has over 20 to 40 video lessons in there where I teach you all the skills, different cakes and unique designs. We also have a Facebook community group for all the bakers that join my course, and you will have my unlimited support throughout teaching and learning. I really hope to see you in my online cooking school, and if you have any more questions, then leave the comments down below. And then just take your blender and pour the mixture inside into each hole, and this makes pretty much 12 cheese balls, as they're quite large, but again it depends on the size that you have, so you'll make either smaller or larger ones for you. I also like to add a bit of grated parmesan cheese on top just to give it even more cheesy look and taste. and it kind of gets all brown and delicious. Then you want to bake these for about 25 minutes and they come out so delicious, and trust me, you'll be able to smell it in your house. I suggest to eat them straight away when they're nice and hot while the cheese is gooey inside and they're crispy on the outside, and I absolutely love them. Honestly guys, I've had so many of them, I can't recommend this recipe enough. I just hope you're gonna make these and enjoy them. Your whole house is gonna smell like cheese. And just have a look. It's very hot, so just be also really careful. The pool is insane. It is so cheesy, so gooey, and of course they're gluten-free, which is the best part. I really hope you're gonna make these. I can't wait to see your suggestions, and yeah, enjoy. Don't forget to check out all the other videos on my channel.